everybody, welcome to Cooking with Reeve! Today we're going to be making a buffalo chicken sandwich. First step, we're going to shred the chicken, but make sure it was already cooked by an adult. Step 2, we're going to add our buffalo sauce and our Greek yogurt into our chicken. I'm going to try to get a lot of it, so I'm going to use a spatula. Now let's get on with our sandwich. First, we're gonna toast the bread. How do we take this out? Now it's time to assemble our sandwich. So I'm gonna take 2 pieces of bread and my apple slices. And I have 1 extra one, so I'm just gonna eat it. Now I'm gonna put some arugula on my sandwich. Time for the best part, our chicken. Now we're gonna put it together. Ooh, this looks like a very good sandwich. That's delicious. And that's how you make a heart-healthy buffalo chicken sandwich.